And here we go again. Okay, video 2. So, as I said, I wasn't paying attention, so I thought the lizards would all be green because there were 4 of them. That's not entirely true, because there are 2 that are... this one is using knives, and the other one is using gecko. So this is the gecko hunter, and this is the gecko leader. Doesn't really matter what mini you use as long as it works. Yeah, so yeah, for the gecko hunter, you can see that he has green skin, some kind of muddy cape. So green skin, muddy cape. The gun is that's aquamarine color. For the rest, it's silver, and they use, I think, rubber bands to stick things together. Because it's a post-apocalyptic, I mean, it's post-human game. Now, I had some gold color. So I painted this green also, as you can see through it. But it should look like this. So I need to color this darker blue, and then some dark spots also. And I'm not sure what he's wearing here. Some kind of... I think it's some kind of leather band. I think I have to do it first the blue and then the rubber band, and again the eyes should be red, and the eyes here are green, also with aquamarine color that I don't have. It's very hard for me to paint the eyes, and nobody on the internet shows me how to paint eyes. I have this very thin... Where is my camera? This very thin 000 miniature brush, but still I can't get them pop well. What other things to show? Oh yeah, so the metal paint you can use for the metallic things. So for example here the claws. I'm not sure if you can see it. Maybe so. And something I learned in painting other miniatures is that you paint the inside of the mouth first, because otherwise you can't paint it if you already painted the teeth. So you paint the inside of the mouth, and just for fun I painted all the ears pink. Not that smart idea, I think, but no, never mind. This guy is pretty cool. It's one of the bosses, as far as I know. He uses a switchblade for an arm, so you have to decide where the arm starts and where the arm stops. I think this will be some kind of greenish cloth. And here are 2 bands that I guess one would be dark leather and the other would be light leather. Some people actually managed to write here cat soup. That's far beyond my skills. And also there was a picture of a guy that painted the symbol of the Swiss Army knife. So it was in white and it had a cross and looked really nice. I don't know how to do that. Just for precaution, I also painted the insides in so that I can later paint the teeth, probably yellow teeth. It would be nice. What else to show? Yeah, this is the miniature that everybody is showing. So you use a reddish cape. Use metal paint for the gun. I think this is one of the heroes. Oh yeah, and the miniatures were also dark gray at the bottom, and I prefer to have some writing to give them initials or something. That's just me. You can also not paint with white brush all the bases. And yeah, so where is it? Not much to show. I'm not going to paint live. That would be ridiculous. And where is it? This is not. This is Messiah. Yeah, it doesn't really look yet like it, but you can recognize it. And I think I'm not sure what the weapon type is here. I think he has some kind of pointy wooden things. And this is not a Sharpie, but it is the tip of a pen. So I have to paint this lighter, and this doesn't really look like the tip of a pen. So I'm going to mix metal paint with white and then try to mimic this. And again, this is also okay, and he's having so the first thing would be to paint his skin white, and I have for that broken white that is off white. I'm just going to paint that over this, and yeah, well, that's mostly it. Just as a bonus, there is a game called Forest of Adrimon, and it looks, this one was also dull grey, this kind of grey, so I thought, well, why the hell not paint it? It's also a shit job, because well, it looks nice on the screen, but you can see the blotches, and the walls here divide all the hexagons, so you want to do the walls either broken white or either gray or beige. But it's really hard to paint these without messing up. So I thought this was a river, so that this has some kind of trees, but it could also have been rocks. And I think it symbolizes all the spheres of influence. So the people that are under the spell of Adrimon will go to the capital. So these have to be doors. It's really hard to get there. This is some kind of tent, I think. Here they have to enter through a maze to reach the door, and here they have to walk around the zone of tree, so that's over the stump or on the side of the stump. Here they have to be walking through some kind of arena, and here they have to walk around to reach the heightened bad plateau for the and going into the city. So I think so I did this yellow, and this is 3 layers of blue. Didn't stick really nicely. This is the blue. Maybe it's too light. Sky blue. So yeah, good luck painting this. And one of the disasters was Abdimon herself. This just doesn't stick. I used black priming, too much black priming, so I'm not sure what to do with this. Whatever I paint her in, the face looks like crap. The miniature is sticky. Yeah, this is a problem. But well, who cares? I'm going to sell it. Yeah, that's about it. Okay, bye.